That's cool. Boom! Look at that, over the water.
Oh,
that was cool. Yeah, I'm recording this one this time. Oh, that's awesome. Oh.
Even the fish are watching it.
Flint, you're being good boy.
He's being awesome. I'm proud of him.
I'm proud of him.
It's the first time he's ever been around fireworks too, so I mean, you know.
They didn't bother Dexter last night. Even when they were shooting them off right beside the house.
Mm-hmm.
Right over here, on the docks and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, they were fine. He didn't care.
Well, first when they first started boobing, he started barking, and then once he seen you guys coming, you know, he was like, oh, okay. And he's just chill now. Damn, that was cool.
What you doing, Flint?
Hold on, buddy. I'm giving you some more slack.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that was cool.
How can they make the noise?
The crackles. No, Flint. Come here.
Here, you're okay.
Oh, man, I got that one. Oh, that is awesome.
It's gonna be a big one.
I thought it was going to be a big one. That was cool.
Oh man, Jeremy, I'm so glad you're here to see that.
I know, man. This is awesome. I didn't get to see fireworks last night. I passed out. Now I got to see them today.
We saw them all night last night.
Ow, stop, Flip.
For like 3 hours across the water straight ahead. Oh, that was neat.
Wait, Flint. That's it. That's all the slack you got. That's cool. Boom. Oh, that one was cool.
I thought they'd be shooting well from that direction. Yes. It's good I'm not working out any better, honey. I know.
Oh, that was neat.
That was cool.